Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this video, I will present to you about editorial uh, and the, and the name is Figma, introduction to the Figma, the future of collaboration design. Before we go to the material, I want to show to you what is Figma. So first, Figma is a revolutionary cloud-based design tool that has transformed how teams create, prototype, and collaborate on digital products. Unlike traditional design software, Figma live entirely in your browser, making and usable from any device. This includes about a cloud-based design tool for UX, prototyping, and collaboration, and enable real-time teamwork across browser and device. This way, design developer and product team worldwide. Key feature in Figma. The key of Figma, there is a vector for editing and design. It's a powerful tool for creating pixel perfect UI and scalable graphics. Usually, vector editing and design in Figma is used for make illustration, a graphic, or some logo, or can make illustration too, like for element, for make a graphic design or anything else. Second, there is prototyping and animation. Bring design to life with interactive flow and seamless transition. Uh, it's more about in UI and UX. So, if there is a many frame in Figma, later I will show to you. For example, of writing and animation, is for like if you touch some button and go to other frame maybe or an animation too, for make it more good. Third, there is design system support. Is centralized stylus component and library for consistency. There is many thing about design system like there is system typography, color, component, and many again. But in here, just we will just learn about the component. And the last is collaboration and versioning, real-time commenting and historic tracking for effortless teamwork. So in Figma, not like other application or platform for make a design, in Figma you can make it with your friend and collaboration in just in one file for make it more easy and effortlessly more. We use Figma for design. Figma stand out uh, with accessibility and real-time collaboration, making it an indispensable tool for modern design workflows. There is a browser-based, not necessarily need work on any device with a browser. Second, there's live collaboration like Google Docs, but for recent files. Third, there is centralized management, system management for consistency, and last is free access for powerful features available even on the starter plan. Just go to the material. So in here, like I tell before, there is a design system support like styles, component, and color typography and again. But in here, we just learn about the component, and we will go to the material first before we go to the practical. What are component in Figma? Components are building blocks of efficient design in Figma. There are reusable UI elements that help maintain consistency and significantly speed up your design process. There is four pillar of component. There is reusable UI elements, thing, button, icon, cards, and more. Main component define the master design for element, and third there is instant copies that automatically update when the main component is changed. And last, efficiency boost help maintain consistency and uh, accelerate design work. How to create component in Figma? Okay, there is a four step for make a component in Figma. We just directly to the material. First, design your element. Start by creating the visual design of your reusable element such as a button or icon. First, we open first the Figma.
Bisa nih kalian kalau record ini notifikasinya tuh jangan dimunculin gitu. Nah,
So this homepage about the Figma, the Figma you can see in here. First, I want to show to you about my design in Figma first before we go to the material. Okay, so this for example this UI design I will tell you before there is many frame in here and there is plot tab 2 in here you can see and this connect to other but in here we not learn about the plot type but we learn about component. So here you can see there is a component the large button, medium, small, and very small. I make many component in here, so I just show to you how to make the component in Figma. For example, in here you can just add the color what you want. For example, pink one. Another UI will change many button. It's more easy to you for make a design if you want to change the color. Okay, and and you very easy not make it again because in asset there is a button for you to make a button here and you can just add what you want if outline uh, of dark and many more again. Okay, so just directly to the point. First we make the uh, design the component first. We make design first, make it new design. So how to make a component here? First you make the rectangle first in here and make it there's text in there like for example button and the size it 40 and the behind then it the black first and make it auto layout. Sorry, make it auto layout and make a corner radius around 50. So this for example button and how to use the component. If like this can you should duplicate but in here if you want to change the color cannot just one button for change. But how to make a component? First you duplicate first. I duplicate for example just for in here you change it to the primary color. In here dark. In here light. In here change it to uh, secondary color. So this is for example and first in here the primary we change what we want. For example the purple one and make it stroke it and dark and we make again the light one and secondary color what you want. Okay, this for example of the button and how to make the component. So in here just make a auto layout uh, make a component first. How to make a component? First you control shift K sorry control alt K, the same control alt K, and after this all you make it like this for more good, for more good, and we make it in here just combine as variable variance sorry and you just touch that and there is a component one. So how to use this? In here there is asset and that's created in this file, and you just put in here, and you can just the color what you want, like light, dark, light, dark, and many more again. And how if there is many button, but if what you want to change it all in one time, and if like this the color you change it so hard, just change here, and the color just change what you want, and later the button will directly change the all because it's already make a component and a variants. But you for just for tips, you don't make the size or the color change by itself in here. You should change in the component or in the rectangle in here. So why cannot? Because if we change the color, the button in up in here won't change. Okay, uh, that was a step for make a component in Figma. And as for tips, organizing component for use. There is group logically, team library, reference variants, and consistent naming. And you can start design with Figma components today. Save time, ensure consistency, perfect for all level, explore research, and read it. And ready to buy, start creating for first component and revolve your workflow. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much for watching. And let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.